Something's smelling a little off. So let's go ahead and check under the hood. And oh my god, good peanut butter, good peanut butter! Someone get me a diaper! If only there were some sort of very convenient solution for this. So I make something different every week, and this week I'm making a human. So whenever this is getting posted, I'm either at the hospital or hanging out with a newborn or something like that. But of course, I'm gonna build something also, so I'm making this long in advance because I don't want to be sleeping on the porch indefinitely for being distracted at important moments. Here's the idea. Having diapers on hand when you need them requires a bit more foresight than people running on 2 hours of sleep can realistically muster. So what do you do when you're in the thick of it and you need a diaper? You activate your diaper launcher, and with the help of modern technology, the day is saved. I can only assume people will be lining up to shower me with money for this one. So I plugged everything in and had my diaper launcher ready to rock, which is pretty much just a voice-activated servo. Activate diaper launcher. Yes. We're online. It is here. The future crimes against my nostrils will be committed. Oh boy, we've got a live one. He's got us on the ropes. It's out of control. Fresh diaper, fresh diaper. What do we do? Oh, I know just the thing. Activate diaper launcher. Let's try that again. Oh no, another poopy diaper. I mean, it's realistic. Yeah. Uh-oh, something smells a little off. Oh my god. Activate diaper launcher. Yeah. And check it. So convenient. The day is saved. Thanks, diaper launcher.